Hey guys, I'm Jayce. Welcome back to Farmstead Forge. Today I'm going to take you through the steps to build a very basic chicken catcher. Before you click off this video, I have some important things to say, and that is, you don't have to have a forge and a fancy setup to build one of these. You can build it with a stiff piece of wire and a pair of pliers. I'm just going to take you through the steps on how to do it. Hang around till the end because I'm going to give you the dimensions of the hook so your chicken doesn't just come right off and you get frustrated. And the other thing is, very, very important, no chickens were harmed in the making of this video. Now, we are working out in my barn setup because my shop's doing a major facelift this summer. You might be asking yourself, why would I need a chicken catcher? Well, I'm making this chicken catcher for a friend of mine, a neighbor who had a chicken get out. He couldn't get it caught right away because it wouldn't let him, and the neighbor's dog killed it, and it was one of his favorite chickens. So, one reason for it, you may need one to doctor sometime. You have a chicken get something caught on her foot, and you just need a catcher to get it off. Or maybe you're butchering some chickens and you need it to catch chickens for that. They're just handy to have on your chicken coop. Everybody used to have one back in the day, and you need one sitting around the coop. Today I have a chunk of 1/4-inch rod that is 5 feet long. You wouldn't need it quite that long, although this fella's a really tall guy, and so he needs a little extra reach. I'm gonna lose some of my length when I curl the end around and do my handle. Just gonna draw my one end out a little bit. If you don't have one of these butcher block brushes, they're really handy for forging. I'll put a link to them on my Amazon so you can get one of those. You want a really nice little loop there so you don't hurt your chicken's leg. Same thing on my handle side. I'm going to draw this out. Another form of drawing out is whap twist, whap twist. On my handle side, I have about an even 10 inches from the tip to where my bend is going to be. So I'm just going to come in here and do a tiny little mark. So when I come out of the heat, I know right where I want to make that bend. course, my end from my catcher part, I got 4.5 inches. You need a little bit of room for your curl. Just gonna make a mark so I can see it when I come out of the forge. Okay, so as promised, I'm around a little over 4 inches, and then the inside is right at 1/2 inch. And that seems to be the magic number for chicken catchers around here. It's nice to have a rod that you can adjust though. Say if you're catching a chick that's out, you can adjust it. You want this to swoop out, kind of a pinch point here, and then your 1/2 inch here. So when you do catch them, they slide right on and catch. This beeswax also makes it a little bit grippy, so if you can do that, that's awesome. And as you can see, my hook is off a little bit, and that works really nice, I've found with them, not to have it straight in line with your rod, to have it tip down and tweak just a little bit. It kind of makes a nice little pinch point, and it just swoops them right on up. My handle is the opposite as that, so that when I'm holding it, I'm right-handed, I'm holding it straight in line, and then I can just hook. You can see that just goes in and hooks, catches them by the leg, and then you can set them down and catch them, and you're not hanging them by the leg.
Hey, can I pick it up?
Say hi, OG Mama. She's not very happy with me. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of this basic chicken catcher. I just thought I would show you one of my antique ones that I have because I really like antique tools. It's on the wall with some of my other homemade ones, and I use it once in a while. But this one turned out really good. My friend Roger is really gonna enjoy it. And as you can see, no chickens were harmed in the making of this YouTube video. This is OG Mama. She is one of our top broodies and makes us a lot of little baby chickens. So, chicks, I guess you should say. So anyway, she is now famous on YouTube. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, hit subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next one.